I'm John Lapointe here today with Nick Delafano from Anytime Realty. Nick, how long have you been a realtor for?
I'm going on about 3 years now.
What's your favorite part of being a realtor? What do you love about this profession? You've been doing it long enough, right? Now you're having success. So
I have. I guess my favorite part about it is helping my clients find their home. Especially I work with a lot of first-time home buyers.
Nice.
So that's a lot of hand-holding throughout the whole process, which I love to do.
Yeah.
Guiding them, navigating, and then that look on their face when we get to the closing day.
Say I'm a first-time home buyer, which probably in the next couple of years I will be. What's like the first step? You know, what should I do if I'm saying, Nick, you know, I'm thinking I've been renting, I feel like I'm throwing away money. What should I do? I'm looking at buying a house.
First step, what I do with all my clients that are first-time home buyers, I'd like to meet with them in the office. Kind of give them an expectation on what to expect during the home buying process. Because as you probably know, John, it's very emotional. But that's why I'm here, to guide them through it. So I meet with them in the office, I explain how to buy a home. If they don't have a pre-approval, I always recommend, especially in a market like this, go out and get pre-approved first. Because the way we are now, properties are moving so quickly. If you see something you like, you always want to have your pre-approval ready to go, ready to shop, ready to buy.
Cool.
And it's good to have, because then we'll know what areas they're searching. You know, taxes are important. Schools are important, crime rate's important, the area they want to live in. Another good thing I tell them to do too, if they want to see a property and they're starting, always take a drive-by first. I understand people have lives. If you can't take a drive-by, people have kids, get busy, at least do it on the Google Maps. Kind of do a 360 view of a property. Because a lot of folks with small children, you don't want to usually live on a two-way or a busy street. So that's another good thing too. And once we have that pre-approval in place, then we go out and we start shopping.
What do you do with your clients to help make them like fans of yours and refer you to other people? How do you try and establish that?
Well, I think the reason why I've been so successful this year and the past year, and since I've been doing the business, is all I find that people want in life and in business is just get back to them right away. Don't take 4, 5, 6 hours to get back to them. If you can't get back to them right away, let them know. Send them a text, hey, I'm busy right now, but I'll call you as soon as I'm free. I find that is the reason I'm most successful. I take calls at 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. I do it because when it comes to buying a home, this is usually the largest purchase of someone's life. It's a big investment.
Big time.
So I just try to be responsive as I can, and I'm aggressive with them. So if they want to see a property, the market's moving quickly, I try to either get them in same day or as soon as I can.
Awesome, that's great. And that high level of service and attentiveness, right? Yeah, we live in a world where it's that instant gratification, right? Especially if you're working with first-time home buyers.
What realtors like to see, listing agents especially, if I'm representing a buyer, they like to see mostly local lenders. Lenders that they've seen before that can get the job done. Now here's one of the downfalls of a Rocket Mortgage or a Quicken Loans or something like that. Say I'm going to see a property with you, we're shopping around for you on Sunday night. We see a property we love and you say, oh my God, Nick, this is the one, let's put an offer. I'll say, okay, great, I need a pre-approval for this amount, for $225. And you say to me, well, I only have my Quicken Loans approval for $250. I say, okay, now we're stuck. So I go to call Quicken Loans, but it's Sunday night. We can't get a pre-approval for your amount. So that's the benefit of having a local lender. I work with a lot of partners. We can call on a Sunday at 7 o'clock and we can say, hey, listen, we need a pre-approval for 25. Nick, it'll be over in a half hour.
Awesome.
Gotcha. That's a great benefit of having a local lender.